Okay guys, let's go over a different example for substitution. In this one, we only have one of these equations that is in x equals or y equals form. So we're going to have to do substitution a little bit differently. So in this one, if this is what y is equal to, I'm going to put it in the spot where y is at right here. So I'm going to take this equation and rewrite it, leaving the y out and putting a parenthesis in its spot. So negative 2x minus 3 parentheses equals negative 7. And I know on this one that if y is equal to 6x minus 11, I'm going to put that in there. Now, you do have to be a little careful in this one because you do have a number that's in front of the parentheses. And that means that we're going to have to do some distributing. Now, this negative 2x is not part of it. But now I'm going to have to do negative 3 times 6x, which is negative 18x. Negative 3 times negative 11, which is positive 33, equals negative 7. Now these two x values are both on the same side. So I don't have to do anything opposite to put them together. I just have to do negative 2x minus 18x. So it's negative 20x plus 33 equals negative 7. And now it's all about getting x by itself. So to get rid of this positive 33, I'm going to subtract 33 from both sides. So this cancels. I have negative 20x equals negative 7 minus 33 is negative 40. And then my last step to get x by itself is to divide by negative 20. So I end up with x equals 2. Now remember, the whole object is to come up with a point that they share in common. So if x is 2, make sure you put the 2 in the x spot. Now I'm going to go through, and now I need to find y. Remember in class we said the easiest way to find y is to actually use a y equals equation if you have one. So if I go back up here, I can see a y equals equation right here. So y equals 6x minus 11. So y equals 6x minus 11. And I know x is equal to 2, so I'm going to put it in that spot. So y equals 6 parentheses 2 minus 11. Now, just take this part, put it in your calculator just like we were doing in class. And if I did, I'd get y equals 1. Now, that's the last part of your point. So that's going to go right up here. So that means your solution is 2, 1.